Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make New York-style bagels. First, combine 4 cups of high-gluten flour, 1 1/2 cups of warm water, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of barley malt syrup, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Knead for about 10 minutes until smooth. Let the dough rest for 30 minutes, then divide it into 12 equal pieces, each weighing about 3 ounces. Shape each piece into a ball and create a hole in the center. After shaping, place your bagels on a parchment-lined baking sheet and refrigerate them overnight. This cold proof develops their flavor and texture. The next day, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add 1 tablespoon of barley malt syrup. Carefully drop a few bagels into the boiling water. Boil each side for 30 to 60 seconds, then remove them with a slotted spoon. Once boiled, immediately transfer the bagels to a wire rack and apply your favorite toppings. Sesame seeds, poppy seeds, or everything seasoning are classic choices. The wet surface helps the toppings stick perfectly. Place the topped bagels onto a preheated baking stone or a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake them in your 450-degree oven for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and feel firm. Once your bagels are baked to perfection, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This crucial step allows steam to escape and the internal structure to set, ensuring that signature chewy texture. Resist the urge to cut into them too soon. Once cooled, slice them open and enjoy them plain, toasted, or with a generous smear of cream cheese. These homemade New York-style bagels are best enjoyed fresh, but can be stored for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.